Hey guys, welcome back to our video series on productivity tips and tricks for Office 365. We are staying with SharePoint Online, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access those files that are stored within your document library offline. We'll be using the OneDrive for Business client. If you haven't had a look at our other videos, I suggest you go and have a look at them so you can understand how Files on Demand works, so that we can effectively synchronize those files from SharePoint onto your computer. Let's get going. Hey guys, so if you want to synchronize your SharePoint document library down to your computer because you may be offline for a while and you want to work on some files, there's a way in which you can do that. You need to go into your SharePoint environment and go into the document library that you want to synchronize. I'm in my document library, you can see the folders that I want, and from the ribbon, we'll see that there is a synchronize button. If we click on that, it'll ask us to open up with OneDrive. We'll say yes. OneDrive is going to open up and it may ask you to log in or re-sign in with your Office 365 account. You can see we get a notification on the bottom right hand corner that we're now syncing this document library, and we can close it and we can keep working within SharePoint. But now on the Windows side, if we open up Windows Explorer, you'll notice that we have a Contoso field that appeared over here. You can see our personal OneDrive is located here, but our organizational OneDrive that we're using to synchronize with is located here. When I click on it, you can see my site name, the DG2000 product team, and the library I'm synchronizing, the documents library. I can go into it, I can go and view all the documents within here, and I can open them up and have a look at them and edit them if I want to. Again, as discussed in another video, if we needed to work on these files while we were away from the office or with no internet connectivity, we can simply right click on these files and say always keep on this device, and that'll then go and keep all the files within warehouse services on this device. So if I lose internet connectivity, I can go ahead and work on those files, and I know that when I get back to an internet connection, those files are going to synchronize straight up into SharePoint Online. We can see it's still synchronizing here, but if we go into the folder, we can see that they're all synchronized, ready for us to work on. And that's how we synchronize our SharePoint document library down to our computers using OneDrive.